Well, hello there. What's up, everyone? Hope you all have been doing well. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about why I carry pocket-sized notebooks and why I feel that it is something that you should do as well. So let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, so throughout this, I'm gonna be sipping my morning mojo tea. I first started carrying pocket notebooks many years ago and didn't understand what the importance of was them until I really started doing it consistently. And I have to say, like, carrying a pocket notebook, you could sketch in it, write notes, ideas, whatever. Because what I have learned is that writing it down forces you to remember it. And I don't know why that happens. I mean, it just does. Compared to if you just typed it. I mean, this is what I'm just speaking about, what works for me. Because for you, it may be different, but writing it down, it is very convenient, as well as carrying a pen, because no telling when you're going to need a pen. And it doesn't have to be any specific type of pen, a pen that you like, because there have been many times that I'm on the way to work or sitting down somewhere, maybe on the toilet, the kitchen, at work, and I just have an idea, maybe for a video or a quote that I'm thinking of, or that someone told me, and I said, it's not convenient for me to pull my phone out right now and type it up. Let me write it down. And I want to show you all a sketch that I am currently working on, that I sketched in my pocket notebook. So let's go ahead and flip the camera around and let's get to that part. I'm gonna spill my tea. Right here you have the sketch that I did in my pocket notebook. And the only thing I did was I took a picture of it. So let me show it to you really quick. This right here is the sketch. Because, I mean, just look at how convenient having something like that is. Because it can come from this, then take a picture of it, go out and Procreate. You can create many different products from this. I can put it on a t-shirt, poster, stickers, many different options. So if you're not doing this yet, I really recommend you carry a pocket notebook. It will only benefit you, and these are not that much. But this one right here, it is a collaboration that Target had with Levi's, and obviously Levi's are some of my favorite jeans. But that is just what I have been working on lately. I got some more sketches in this, but just wanted to show you one and just to talk to you about why I feel that pocket notebooks are really worth the money. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace and love. Hope you've been doing well. I'm gonna get this finished up, and who knows where it'll go from there.